it's me, Hannah. Oh, haven't done this in a while, so here I go. This is off my phone. I know it's a little bit cheap, just a little bit cheap, but okay. So I was wondering what it would be like if like I walked around my school just doing like British accents. Like, what if I just like was like, oh, hi there, Natalie. Natalie, how are you doing? Yeah, my morning was great. How was yours? Perfect. Well, I mean, what if I just talked around like this? Talked around. Oh, so posh. But seriously, like, what if I walked around like this and I talked like this and a new kid came in and was like, oh, she's British. And I'm like, yeah, I'm actually from London. Get it fucking right. And I'd be like, what the hell are you talking about? And I'd be like, ooh, look at this crazy bitch from London thinking she's doing everything right and she's getting everything done. And ooh, girl. And I'd be like, girl, what you think you're doing? I'm from London. Get it the fuck right or I'ma slap a hoe. I'ma slap a hoe. And I realized that I have quite a bit of a lisp. It's due to these little bitches. Oh, thanks. Yeah, I know, it's pretty lesbian, and I'm quite not lesbian. But anyway, if you really want to know, they do quite hurt like a bitch. Don't get them. I'm recommending, if your teeth suck, keep them sucking. They sucking up. This is more than sucking than suck. Yeah, that did come out a little wrong, and I thought it was going to turn out a little better, but it didn't turn out a little better. It kind of turned out a little bad.